Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we'll be solving part 3 which will cover the section 6 from the May 2015 grade 1 past paper. So let's start music theory past paper. So today we are going to solve section number 6. In this one we have to analyze a rhythm piece that they have given to us. So look at the following piece and answer the questions below. So that's what we have to do in this section. So let's start with the first question. In which major key is this piece? So we have to find out the which key is this piece about. So for that, let's check the first tonic. So we can see this is our treble clef and the first piece is E. So E note is the first note and the last note is C note. Okay. Now this is one way to find out. Okay. Because mostly the pieces are started on the same tonic note, which is a scale depends on. Okay. Related to. But here you see there are two different notes. One is a E note and one is a C note. Okay. Now second option is we see that any key signature here. We don't see any key signature right now. Okay, so that means either it can be a C major scale, right? So this is our C major scale. So that's the answer. We got the piece in C major scale. Okay, now next question is how many crochet beads are there in each bar? Okay, now for that you see this symbol here. This is means 4 by 4. Okay, because we have learned if this common time signature, this means a common time signature, and that means the time signature is 4 by 4. So that means we need to have the crochet, the note value should be a crochet bead, and how many? 4. So how many crochet beads are there in each bar? So 4 crochet beads. Okay, now next question is write a Roman numeral below the last note of this piece to show that the tonic triad should accompany it. So for that the last note is C note and we have to put a Roman number that would be this. Okay, that's what we do for the major scale. Okay, next is name the rest in the bar 8. So in bar 8 you can see this is our rest and this is called a minim rest. A minim rest. Okay, so this is a minim rest. Now next is at what tempo should this piece be played? At what tempo? So for that we have to check this. Now moderato, so that means it should be at a moderate pace. So it should be at a moderate pace. Okay, now next, should be at a moderate pace. Next question is circle the 1 octave arpeggio hidden in the piece. Now for the arpeggio we first need to know which note should be there in the arpeggio. So if this is C major scale, it should be C, D, E, F, G. Okay, A, B and C. For the arpeggio we need the first degree, the third degree, the fifth degree and the octave one. Okay, so C, E, F, C, E, G and C we need. So let's check here. So if we check here, if we go this one, I think this is C, E, G and C again. So I think this is the place where we can find circle. So we have to circle this part. So this is our arpeggio hidden there. Okay, so this was the answer for 6.6. Now next is name the interval between the two notes marked with asterisk in the bar 4. So let's check in the bar 4. So this is two notes. One is our second space, that is A, and other one is G. So let's find out A to G. So A to G we know, if we go A to G or G to A, this is second interval. Okay, so this is answer would be second interval. Okay, now next question is, what is the curved line over the note in bar 1 called? So it called slur. So it called a slur. So this line they are talking about, this line, and we know that this line called a slur. Okay, this is called a slur. Okay, now you can write slur also, or you can write play the mark notes smoothly. Slur means you play those notes smoothly. Okay, so no, because they're talking about the what is it called. If they say what does that mean, then we can write that it means play those notes smoothly. But right now they're asking only what that line called, that calls slur. Okay, now next question is, do is written at 2 register in this piece. Put a box around an example of a low and high do. So we have to put two brackets in the do position. One is the lower and one is the highest one. So let's find out that one. So lowest one we know is this note, or can be this note. So let's put this note, we can put a bracket here. So here we got our one do. Okay, now second do is if you go one octave higher than this. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So the third space should be our one other do. So let's find. So this is one. Okay, we can put it here, or we can put it here, and we can put here also. So but we right now will put it here. So let's put it here. So this is the two do's we've put it. Okay, now the last question we have is, what does Chris means? Chris means getting gradually louder, crescendo. Okay, so that means getting gradually loud. Sorry, getting gradually louder. Okay, so this is the meaning of crescendo. Okay, because full form is crescendo, in a short we write it Chris. Okay, so this is how we finish our section 6. Okay, so now I'll see you in the next topic where we'll solve the another question paper from 2015. Okay, till then, thank you guys.